We're on the square of Ban Jelačić, the main city square. Like almost every week, an event is taking place here. This time, it's the Orange Bike Ride, a gathering of all sorts of cyclists. Why orange? Because the event has been organised by the Dutch Embassy and the Croatian NGO Moj Bicikl.
We want to introduce biking the way how we do it in the Netherlands, meaning it's not only a very efficient means of transportation, but it's also healthy and it's cheap.
The Conference on European Cycling Tourism presents the bike routes all over Europe. Zagreb has several bike routes too. The price of our tour includes a licensed guide, a bike and a helmet, which is optional. The tour takes 2 or 3 hours. We offer several tours, the lower and the upper town, and we're the only ones who go as far as Novi Zagreb. For those who don't have time or don't like midday heat, there's the early morning tour. And the demand for our tours rises by 100% every year. You can see various bike clubs and some more particular bikers. In fact, the garbage collectors of Zagreb have their own race every year. The small town of Koprivnica has mounted police on bikes. Koprivnica is a bicycle town. We've been doing our duty on bikes for 7 years. Cycling is much better than driving a car or walking. There's also a match of cycle polo, which has recently become popular. The track stand race is harder than it looks. The winner is the slowest racer, which you can't stop for more than 3 seconds. The bike service guys have also come. They'll diagnose your bike and repair any small stuff on the spot. Always check your tyres and brakes before a ride. With that sound piece of advice, it's time to hit the road. While the bikers make the tour of the city centre, it's time for the regular attraction of the weekend, the passing of the Kravat Regiment. And the bikers are back, all safe and sound.